Ask your pharmacist for more details about how to use D3 plus K2 dots. Ask your pharmacist or doctor for more information. Narration: before taking D3 plus K2 dots, be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician for more information. Always consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any side effects you may experience. You can also report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any side effects you may experience. You can also report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Now, let's talk about the uses and benefits of D3 plus K2 dots. The recommended daily dosage is 1 to 2 dots per day, and it's best to take them with a meal for optimal absorption. Many people take D3 plus K2 dots to support bone health and cardiovascular health. It's important to take them consistently and at the same time each day for the best results. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Ask your pharmacist or doctor for more information. Narration: before taking D3 plus K2 dots, be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician for more information. Remember to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication. It's important to keep a list of all your current medications and share that list with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them determine if D3 plus K2 dots is the right choice for you and if it will interact with any other medications you may be taking. D3 plus K2 dots are often used to support bone health and cardiovascular health. The recommended daily dosage is typically 1 dot per day, but be sure to follow the instructions on the package or the advice of your healthcare provider. It's best to take D3 plus K2 dots with food, as this can help with absorption. As always, consult with your doctor or pharmacist for personalized recommendations. If you or someone else has taken too many D3 plus K2 dots and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the US, you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure proper care and treatment. There is currently no official document available for D3 plus K2 dots. However, this combination of vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 is often used to support bone health and promote proper calcium absorption. The recommended daily dosage varies depending on individual needs, but it is generally taken once a day. It is best to take D3 plus K2 dots with a meal for optimal absorption. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement regimen. Ask your pharmacist or doctor for more information. Narration: before taking D3 plus K2 dots, be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.